Hey guys, let's look at what our letter is for this week. We have the letter Q. Q, do you know what sound Q says? K, K, K. Usually Q also has a U by it, so it sounds like kwa, kwa, kwa. So there is our big Q. Now our little Q, do you think it looks the same or different? It is different. So it has a small circle with a tail like this. Okay, so we have our capital Q and our lowercase q. Let's see if we can think of some words that start with k, k, or qua, qua. I can think of one, queen. Queen starts with Q. Okay, how about the word quick? Like, let's go to the store quick. And if we look on our flashcard that we have this week of our letter Q, on the back is this cute little bird, and he is called a quail. All right, so quail, k, k, quail. Okay, let's take a look at our paper that we have. All right, first thing we always do, write our name at the top. Okay, then we have our capital Q and our lowercase q. Let's take a look at our letters over here. We have A says A. All right, here's one of our Q's. We get to color in that one. S says S. I says I. And there's our lowercase q. We can color that one. P says pa. W says wa. There's another capital Q to color and a lowercase q to color. B says ba. Another capital Q. C says ka. V says va. Z says z. And a lowercase q, ka. All right, now do your best work to try to stay right on those lines. Our capital Q is pretty easy. A big circle that starts at the top, all the way to the bottom, back to the top, and tiny leg out to the side. Okay, and then our lowercase q is a little circle, so starting at the middle, down to the bottom, back up to the middle, and then give it its long tail this way. Good. Okay, let's read what our sentence says today. What's this gumball word? A quarter equals 25 cents. Okay, so I see a Q at the beginning of quarter, and I see a Q in equals. Good. Do any of you have a quarter? If you do, that's worth 25 cents. Okay, over here, this little mouse is saying, shh. He wants us to be quiet. Quiet starts with Q. All right, now we're going to look at our pictures at the bottom and see which ones we should color today. Our first one was one we wrote on our board. Ka, ka, queen. We can color the queen. How about wa, whale? What does whale start with? Whale starts with W. Do you know what this is? This is a question mark. Ka, ka, question mark. We can color that one because it starts with a Q. How about bunny? What does bunny start with? Starts with B. And fish. Fish starts with F. We only get to color two today, our queen and our question mark. Okay, make sure you keep practicing that letter Q. Q says ka, ka, quail.